Thetawise AI Review provides a quick look at how this AI tool assists users with problem solving and learning tasks. It briefly highlights its main features and overall performance. Thetawise AI is a powerful math tutor that breaks down complex equations into clear, step-by-step logical explanations. It goes beyond simple answers by offering interactive graphing and personalized AI guidance to help you master calculus, algebra, and beyond. This tool transforms difficult homework into an easy, visual learning experience available anytime. Thetawise Pro offers flexible pricing starting at $9.99 weekly, with a monthly plan at $19.99 and a best value annual subscription for $9.99 per month. Users can unlock advanced solvers and AI video lessons while taking advantage of a 7-day free trial on the monthly and annual billing cycles. Reddit users say students often consider dropping courses when math gets difficult, especially when relying on AI help. However, many recommend using human-written textbooks instead of AI shortcuts, as too much AI can cause confusion. Overall, real textbooks are best for learning, while AI-only study may slow understanding. Overall, Thetawise AI is a helpful tool for solving problems and learning concepts easily. It offers useful AI support for better understanding. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.